Ever notice how the same idea can be said in totally different ways in one, just sounds way more natural? It's not about grammar. It's about vibe. I agree is fine, but totally. That's how people actually talk. Can I ask you something? Works, but quick question. Feels lighter, more casual. I don't know is okay, but not sure, CB. That's real life. I don't have time now. Sounds stiff, but I'm swamped right now. Can we circle back? That's smooth. And instead of ill, think about it. Try let me sleep on it. Native speakers drop endings, soften statements, keep it short. So here's the tip. Choose the phrase that sounds like you talking, not you writing. Want more everyday phrases that sound natural? Join me on Telegram at Ayan and let's keep it real.